Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is a Louis Vuitton unboxing of something that is not going to work out for me. It is a beautiful item, I love it, but it is not going to work out for what I intended to use it. I thought it would be a good idea to share it with all of you before I make my return, just in case you were thinking of purchasing the same item. That being said, if you're new to my channel or if you are a returning subscriber, welcome or welcome back. I hope that if you're new and enjoy the video, you will go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload new content, and give the video a thumbs up. I will also let you know that this is about the third time that I try and film this video. I started yesterday and got sidetracked watching a movie, started crying during the movie, and just could not do it. So you may see a couple of clips from yesterday of when I actually did the unbox. Like I said, it is a huge, huge box and wrapped beautifully with that nice ribbon. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert that footage here so you can see me unboxing the item. Absolutely lovely packaging and a huge box. And here is the item in its dust bag. As you can see, very, very large. And let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is the item I picked up. This is called the LV Weekend Tote, and it is from the men's line. This is the GM size. It comes in the PM and it comes in the GM size. It is in the monogram Mascara print. So monogram canvas, the beautiful black leather. It has leather trim on the sides. This one is made in France. The handles are also black leather and the hardware is all in black, and it's like a matte black. Okay, now let me just tell you why I purchased this. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I very recently purchased, let me get it for you, this right here, which is the Keep All 55, again in the monogram Mascara, and I was very excited to get that. And I thought, what if I could purchase something that I could take on business trips and it would take the place of my Longchamp, and I could actually put laptop and folders and also maybe cosmetics, a luxury bag that I don't want to necessarily pack, etc. When I saw this at the store, I thought, oh my goodness, that is wonderful. It matches perfectly. And it has a very, very large capacity, as you can see. And let me give you the measurements. Let me look down because I don't know them by heart, but it is 15.2 inches long. It is 11.4 inches tall, and then it is 4.3 inches wide. So very, very large dimensions. So back to my thought process, I thought this is wonderful. This will be able to fit a luxury handbag if I want to take one on a business trip. It'll fit a laptop, and it'll fit some of my cosmetic pouches. Well, it all sounded good and it all looks good, but let's go ahead and take a tour of the bag and then we'll keep going. So again, front of the bag, it has a very generous slip pocket right here. Definitely a cell phone fits in there without any issues. The back is just plain. Now the interior. First of all, something that I do love, the handles totally will lie flat when they are not in use. And I think that's wonderful, so you don't have anything sticking up. Now, the bag comes with a detachable, adjustable strap. And let me see, hopefully you can see the details. It says Louis Vuitton. It has the black hardware. And let me just show you. It is detachable. It says Louis Vuitton on the clips. And like I said, that matte hardware, very, very nice. And let me show you the interior, but let me get these coated fabric and cowhide exterior. And if anybody's interested after we finish this video, here is the item code. Okay, interior is absolutely stunning. All right, interior, gorgeous. It's got a textile lining. And let me try and get close so you can really, hopefully I can give you a good idea. It's just really, really feels durable, very nice. It has an interior zippered compartment. And one of the great things is that it is a removable interior pocket. So it snaps into the bag. It has the black zipper, and inside it has just a black fabric lining, and you can put passport, wallet, anything that you want to make sure does not fall out of the bag, you can put into this very generously sized pocket, or compartment, I should call it. So this I thought was a super plus, and I loved it. The interior of the bag, again, all textile except for the very bottom where you have the monogram canvas. And it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It is huge. The strap is comfortable. And so you're saying, okay, Isabel, what's the problem? Why aren't you going to keep this bag? Well, the biggest problem of all is that after thinking about it and after traveling over Thanksgiving, I did not take this bag, obviously. I left it in the box. There's two issues. The first issue I can get over. The first issue is that it does not have a snap or a zipper or even a little clip like the Neverfulls do. Therefore, the entire bag is just totally open and just flapping. I don't have an issue while I am carrying the bag having it be open like that. My problem is, and the reason I want to buy it, or I wanted to buy it, is I want to take it on the airplane. This will have to fit underneath the seat of the airplane. And the problem is twofold. It's too tall to fit under the seat without squashing it. And this is not like the Neverfull. The Neverfull is something that you can definitely just squish under the seat, or you can just go ahead and you can slip it in this way. This is big. I don't know if it's really going to fit if I slide it in like this, but the bigger issue is it's got nothing to prevent things from falling out. Now, I do use my Neverfull a lot when I travel, but I tend to always defer to the Longchamp because it's got a zipper and I don't have to worry about putting something underneath my seat and having everything spill all over the place. Therefore, first reason is I am concerned because there's no way to close this. Second reason, and probably the real reason why I'm going to return it because it's not going to work out for what I wanted to use it, is that this is so tall, which is what I wanted, mind you. I wanted something that had a very large capacity. This is not going to fit underneath the seat of the airplane. There's no way. I would have to definitely lie it either sideways to get it in or this way, and I don't think it would fit this way. So it would have to be under the seat like this, and it's probably going to get all mangled because it's so large that I don't think it's gonna fit. Now, of course, I didn't try it out. I was not about to take a bag that I was going to return and use it. Therefore, I did not take it on my trip. But after seeing what I had to do to put certain things underneath the seat in front of me, I don't think this is gonna work out. Therefore, I'm very sad to say that even though I love this LV Weekend tote, I think it has to go back. I will tell you, I am conflicted because I love it. I love the black and monogram combination. I love the fact that it looks just wonderful with the keepall. However, I don't think I have a choice in the matter. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Have you contemplated picking something up like this for purposes of travel? Again, from the men's line, really, really beautiful. No worries about the vachetta. You don't have to worry about anything, you know, canvas is indestructible, but this is, again, stiffer than a never full, and so I just think it's going to get ruined if I use it for underneath the seat of the airplane. Therefore, it is a fail for me, most unfortunately. I love it, but it is going to go back. Leave me your opinions in the comments down below. Let me know if you purchased it or have thought of purchasing it, but that's where I am with this one. It's going back. Very sad. Lovely, lovely tote, but just not for me. I'll try and insert a mod shot so that you can see the size. It is huge, but yeah, it just didn't work out. That's it for today. Watch out for my other videos. I have a lot of things that I'm going to be filming. I am very, very behind in tags and in what fits in my bag and just a lot of things. But I will be on vacation from work in about 2 weeks, and I plan to upload every day from the 20th of December through the 30th. Therefore, keep an eye out. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.